Hey folks, Paulie here, and earlier today, I made a sandwich, a little different from your regular, ordinary sandwich. It reminds me of another sandwich that we're all familiar with, but it's not that sandwich. Anyhow, let's go to me making the sandwich. So instead of me telling you what the sandwich is, let me just make it, and then you'll see what it is. So we began and started off by slicing up some tomatoes. Very nice tomatoes. Got them yesterday at Sam's Club. Love going there. This sandwich is going to take about 3 of them slices of tomato. And man, that is some good looking tomato. After I did that, the other ingredient I don't have to prep, which you'll find out about here soon enough. But the next thing I did was I started to fry up some bacon. And I used the carbon steel pan that I got from Amazon, cool pan. It's starting to get a nice season on it. And starting to get a nice season. I like it. Not as heavy as cast iron. I'm not going to crack the oven top, that glass top, as easy as I would with cast iron. But yeah, the bacon is in the pan, frying up, looking really good. And pretty particular about making bacon. So the heat was not on high. I had a low setting. I don't like a raging splatter farm on the stove top when I'm cooking bacon. So eventually the bacon is done. Did 3 slices. It was thick cut. Kind of wish I would have used thin cut for this application, but oh well. Bacon is done. I got it draining. It's cooling off. So then we're going to go and we're going to get some keto bread. Tell you what, folks, I've been feeling dizzy lately, so trying to cut down on my sugar, although this sandwich doesn't indicate that I am. But yeah, I'm using keto bread. It's kind of dense. It's small, but it is expensive. It's about $5 or $6, $7 a loaf. Here's a special ingredient. Take a little bit of peanut butter and spread some on each slice. So then I take them 2 slices with a keto bread with peanut butter on them. That don't make no sense, does it? And I put the tomato and bacon on there. Then I proceed back to the pan which I cleaned. And in that pan, I'm using a little bit of butter and a little bit of oil. Yeah, I used extra virgin olive oil, which does have a low smoke point, but it's okay. My burner is not turned all the way up. And I like to use a little oil with the butter just so it doesn't burn the butter. So I proceed to grilling the sandwich in this pan that I cleaned out after I made the bacon. I drained that bacon, put it in a jar for future uses. So it's here grilling up, cooking off, browning off, looking pretty good. So let's take a look at it. And here it is after I cut it up. Let's give it a try. Yeah, here it is. Peanut butter, bacon, and tomato sandwich. cooled off a little bit so it won't burn my lips off. Let's go for it. I've never tried this one, to be honest. Let me get one more bite. Didn't get the full effect. It's good. This is not my creation. I seen this recipe actually online. It is different. It is good. Now when I was a kid, talking about peanut butter here now, you never imagine what peanut butter goes in. When I was a kid, I worked in a Chinese restaurant, and the egg rolls that they made, they were so good. Best egg rolls I ever had. They put peanut butter in their egg rolls. So that's kind of like what enticed me to make this sandwich. Very nice. Would I make it again? Yeah. If I don't have any lettuce, throw some peanut butter on there. I'm Paulie. Till next time, from the cornfield, I'm out.